Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial, where we will explain you how to send SMS on Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on the Campaigns tab. Then, click on Create Campaign in the Campaign Setup. Give your campaign a clear and memorable name and optionally, add a short description to explain its purpose. Next, choose SMS as your campaign type, then click Continue to move forward. You'll now need to choose your audience. Click Select a list or segment and pick the group of contacts you want to send the message to. This ensures your SMS is targeted and relevant. After selecting your audience, it's time to write your message. Type your SMS content carefully, keeping it short, clear, and engaging. Remember, SMS has a character limit, so every word matters. Once you're happy with your message, click Next. Now you'll choose when to send your SMS. Click on * schedule or send, then select the date and time you want your campaign to go out. Don't forget to set the correct time zone so your message reaches people at the right moment. Finally, click Schedule Campaign to confirm and launch your SMS campaign.